Hi, welcome to the rat race of modern day auto journalism. We are here at the launch of the Volkswagen VIRTUS. This is a sedan. People call it the VIRTUS, they call it the VIRTUS, but it is VIRTUS. We're going to look at the car, go around it and find out what are the virtues of this VIRTUS. Stay tuned, this is the Motown show and my name is P Tharyan. Welcome to the mess, welcome to the crowd and welcome to this jamboree. The Volkswagen VIRTUS is the longest car in its segment. Till a few days back, this honor had gone to the all-new Skoda Slavia, which was the longest in the segment. But since the Slavia and the VIRTUS belong to the larger Volkswagen family, there are a lot of similarities between the two. The VIRTUS has a length of 4561 mm, a width of 1752 mm, a wheelbase of 2651 mm, and a huge boot space of 521 liters. There will be two petrol engine options for the VIRTUS, the 1.5 litre TSI Evo engine with ACT and a 1 litre TSI engine just like the Slavia. Transmission options again will include a 7-speed direct shift gearbox or DSG, a 6-speed automatic torque converter and a 6-speed manual transmission. The 1 litre dynamic line delivers a peak power of 115 PS while peak torque is at 178 Newton meters. The 1.5 litre performance line engine will deliver a peak power of 150 PS and a peak torque of 250 Newton meters. Coming to the exterior, for performance line, LED headlamps will be standard, auto headlights, electric sunroof, rain sensors, R16 black standard wheel size for the performance line, and the GT elements which will include dual tone roof, black ORVM, boot lid spoiler, front brake calipers in red. The VIRTUS will be available in 5 different colors like candy white, carbon steel grey, curcuma yellow, reflex silver and rising blue metallic. Coming to the interior, the VIRTUS gets ventilated front seats, chassis, push button start stop, height adjustable head restraints, 60-40 split folding rear seats, smart storage space, smart touch, climatronic, AC and cooled glove box, aluminum pedals and red stitching on seats. Tech features include an 8 inches digital cockpit, 10 inches touchscreen infotainment system and wireless app connect, wireless mobile charging, 4 USB ports and 12-volt socket, 8 speakers as standard and My Volkswagen Connect. Safety features include electronic stability control, hill hold control, side impact protection beam indoors, multi-collision brakes, tire pressure deflation warning, impact absorbing body components, electronic differential lock, all seats with 3-point seat belts, hydraulic brake boosters, 5 headrest adjustable for all passengers and up to 6 airbags. We shall share more on the new Volkswagen VIRTUS when we get our hands on it. Till that time, stay tuned to our channel.